Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. This is very good next level part of the language bar. Here, one of the person basically told that the AI industry basically is doing the process. AI industry basically is doing the main process. AI industry basically is doing the main process, and they are giving the input to human souls and 20 crore basically child which is going to come basically. So here one person told like this basically things are connected. So 20 crore child basically, that is the next generation which is created basically. In next generation basically, one of the person literally told basically how the next generation is processed. For example, that person basically you can see, yes basically I can see that person. That person is very bad basically. We have to set the lesson basically for next generation, that whenever basically the child is going to come basically in the world, they are supposed to tell basically, they are supposed to say that basically that person is bad. So they basically in next generation data basically they dumps the data that that person basically is bad. So here one person told, and that person basically is good basically. For example, in India basically, whatever data basically get processed of the next generation, they have written that basically Godse is bad basically and Mahatma Gandhi is good. So that's next generation process basically they have done basically. So here one of the Godse Bhakt basically told, Sunil, basically do you have the nuclear power company data where the data is getting processed? So Sunil and I told that you have to ask America basically where this data is getting processed. That 20 crore child basically which is coming basically, there basically they are writing that Godse is bad. Godse means Nathuram Godse and Mahatma Gandhi is good basically. So next